Hey guys, today we will be opening the PokemonCenter Elite Trainer box for the Ice Rider Calrex. Looks like it comes with a player guide. Oh wow. Pokemon card rules. Get some coins. Some pretty heavy metal dices. Some card sleeves. Get some energy. Not sure what these are, like card separators. And 8 booster packs. These dice seem pretty heavy duty. Alright, let's see what we get. Leaf Energy, Akeda, Scroll of the Skies, Dynatree Hill, Shuppet, Castform, a Ghastly, Kubfu, Hatina, Path to the Peak, Trainer. Ooh, it's a shiny. And let's see. Ageron. Oh, that doesn't seem that good. Let's see the next one. Let's see. Hoping we could get some decent pulls. There's a Zapdos. Lightning Energy. Fall Crystal. It's a Trainer Peonia. Whirlipede. Aron. Darling, Delibird, Larvesta, Mareep. Ooh, it's a Crabominable. Ooh, it's a shiny. And a Z-Viper. Not that good. See what we get here. Ooh, Moltres card pack. Fighter energy, I guess. Expedition uniform. Old Cemetery. A Raboot. Heracross. Cast form. Sunny form. Spheo. Hanita. Hatina. Rockruff. And Zarude, and Galarian Surfetch. It looks like nothing great so far. See the next. Fire energy. A welcoming lantern. Another Raboot. Akitha. Ralts, Venipede, Boonsweet, ooh, a Lapras, Blizzo, and a Hatreem. Ooh, this one's shiny. And look like it's a Slurpuff. Looks like it's a Shadow Rider. See what we get here. Nothing good so far. Oops. Psychic energy. Another Whirlipede. Seabolt. Larion. Snorunt, Weedo, Cast form, Quillfish, another Ralts, a shiny Rockruff, and ooh, golden Snorlax! Oh man! Oh my goodness! Holy crap! Oh my god, I remember Snorlax from the early seasons. Holy crap. Oh man, look at it. This is amazing. Oh man. I think this is one of like the rarest cards. Holy crap. Holy crap, we got something good and that's nice. Wow. Let's look at it again. Gormandize Body Slam. 100 damage. Holy crap. Oh man, can't believe I got this. Oh crap. Go on to the next one. Hopefully more good stuff. Let's see what we could get. I'm not sure what type of energy this is. Pony. Larion. Fire resistant gloves. Golett. Clawbutus. Castform. Hatena. Aaron. Shiny Expedition uniform. Ooh. And Volcarion. That one's not that great. We're back to the Zapdos. Let's see what we get here. Water Energy, Haunter, Celio, Melanie, Snowrunt, Venipede, Snover, ooh, a Galarian Slowpoke, Crab, okay, it's a shiny Hantina, and Scolipede. Ew. Oh wow, God. It's not that great. Pulls aren't so great so far. Last pack. It's a Moltres. Hoping for something good. What kind of energy is this? I'm not even sure. Steenie, Dynatree, Spyro Energy, Swirlix, Galarian Yamask, another Castform, Sunny Form, Castform again, Ladybug. Oh, what is this? What is this? Shiny fire resistant gloves. And another Aggron. What a day. We started with Aggron and we ended it with one. Guess that's it. The best pull was this shiny golden Snorlax. Ooh. This Pokemon box was actually the one that they messed up. So they'll be sending me some extra stuff since it's from PokemonCenter. Not sure which one the other ones are the best besides the golden Snorlax. But I guess that's it. Thanks guys for joining and watching. Stay tuned for the next one.